Hello and welcome to another tutorial of TechWiki. This is Ahmed. In this video we are going to talk about HDDs. What is HDD abbreviation? Hard disk drive. As you can see in this image, this is the hard disk, and maybe you face some problem with this, like a slower data load or a slowing search or something like that. That's because this is the magnetic disk that HDD use, and this is the head that read and write from these disks. Here you can see there are many disks in here, and from the head you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Almost 10 disks in here. And when they read a data or they write a data in here, and if you delete it, that will be deleted from that part, and the write will be continuous till the end. And if the end here and start from here to here, if you delete this part and you have a deleted part from here, they will write in those parts what you can do to manage these parts. In Windows, there is a program called Defragment and Optimize Drive. Here you can see drive letter, the drive name. As you can see, this is solid state drive, and it doesn't need actually defragmentation, but this is the hard disk drive here, and you need to select both of them by clicking Control, as you can see, and first analyze them, and you can see the analyze running. Depends on how you use your disk and how many weeks or months or years you didn't defrag them, this will go slower and slower. Okay, 1% fragmented, optimize, and you can see the fragmented begin. It may take some time, depends on your HDD and the days you didn't run the fragmentation. As you can see, this is the large drive. This is almost 800 GB, and it says 5% defragmented. I will fast forward to the end, and I will see you in the end of the video. And as you can see, the state says OK, or 0% fragmented. And that's it. You can find more video and tutorial on TechWiki channel. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you don't like it, just you know what to do, just hit the dislike button. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for future videos.